what's up? This is Shraddha and welcome back to my new blog today. Hope you are doing well and trying to fight back against Corona on your own way. So, my country India is grasping for oxygen, and all over India there is a huge blame game is going on. So, all you can do is you can always fight on your own way. So just you can avoid being a part of the social, political and spiritual rally. Rather stay home, try to find your happiness inside of your home. And as you know already that you can use the 3-ply surgical mask that will definitely save you from spreading and getting the infection inside of yourself, rather just using only the cotton mask. And also try to sanitize your hands, and as much as possible stay 6 feet away. So all you know already, but you do not maintain all these things. You think that COVID was gone, that's what people thought, but it's not going to go away from us, at least not in a near future, because lot of mutations are already coming and it will come. So better accept this, that it's not going to go anywhere. Rather, you can adjust your lifestyle according to, right? So do that, try to be safe. This kind of disaster will stop very soon. So now I'm going to take the vaccine shot. I made a delay because I had some medication going on, so I was suggested to do some delay. So now I'm going to take the first shot of Moderna. So whenever it is available in your place, please do not delay. Take it. Try to save your life.
Summer is here in Maryland. Living in the sunshine and breathing in the oxygen, seeing the great bursts of pure green leaves growing around itself is a treat for eyes, especially when the entropy of the world is really going high very fast. I just had my vaccine and now I'm going for a little bit of grocery shopping, so stay tuned with me.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest, and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else will fill my heart like you do. And there's no more fears left in me. I can see you light my way, and you're always near. There's nowhere I could be. All I need is you. Feels like I can make it more than I deserve. You gave all to me so I can come closer to you. Take me in your arms.
I am in Patel Brothers of Maryland, and here all kinds of Indian groceries are available mostly, and I like to eat ready to eat items because I don't get much time to cook, and they have plenty of options. You know, when you are staying away from your home and moving is quite restricted because of COVID, then I think it's wise to find happiness in cooking or trying different foods, and within yourself you have to find your ultimate happiness.
Bali for a day from my office, and then suddenly I thought that I'm having a craving for the hash brown, so why don't I stop by to the nearest store, which is like Giant, and then grab something like hash brown. So what I bought is like not too much. It's like I bought sriracha mayo. It's very good, and you can try it. And then some potato and then onion. So like this is the hash brown that I bought, and then also the onion and potato and all this stuff. So I'm very happy, and I can't wait to go home and then make something for me.
This is it for today. Please take care of yourself, and I'm sure that this phase too shall pass. See you in a new vlog. Till then, take care, bye bye, and lots of love.